Here we go with another shop update. So because a lot of you were crying last time, I put in some foam padding around the shutters. It quietens it down a little bit, not much. Yesterday it was windy and it wasn't too bad. So that's that. And now we'll go for a little look round the workshop. As you can see here, I've changed the workbench area. I raised this platform up one little notch so I could fit all these drawers on top of each other, freeing up space here. I got some drawers which used to be my missus's drawers, which don't sound right, but yeah, and that's housing all my wood. The forge area works nicely now, obviously, because you saw that I fixed it. I added a shelf up here just to put loads of crap. The oven's there. It's a lot easier having it there, plus it's near the door if there is a mishap, and near the fire extinguisher, also a spare fire extinguisher. I'm going to be using this bench for doing bits of work in bags on the shelves, but I'm going to be putting some shelving on the wall here, here, here and here to get rid of a lot of the crap, plus I've got other bags as well. Luke's side's turning out alright now. He's tied up the back area. He's still got bits and bobs on the floor, but he's getting in as often as he can to prepare it, and he's been putting shelves and whatnot up there. And that's all this workspace sort of coming together. We've still got sanding belt hooks to build and put up, and that's pretty much it. That's a banner up now for Abrax. Don't forget to check out Abrax, and my Bessie clamps are all up over there, and I've got some lying around somewhere else. It's just a case of putting them together. These are probably the best clamps you're going to get. So check out the links in the description for Bessie and Abrax, and show some support, show some love. Go buy some stuff. While I'm here as well, too much crap going on here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to build storage for all my tongs on the side of the forge, and then just have the hammer rack as it is on the anvil. these up here so that once I've hardened and tempered the knives, if I'm doing a big lot, I can put them up here so that I know that they're ready to grind. These are going to be for when I take knives out of the oven, let them cool down, I can just hang them on these hooks. That's it for today. So thanks everyone for watching these. I really appreciate you taking time to watch these videos. I know they're not everyone's cup of tea, but I will have build videos coming up as well as these. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you get the chance, head on over to my Instagram because I update on there a lot of the time. And check out the sponsors. Thank you everyone. Look like absolute shit. Come back. I don't know what to say. I don't know. I can't even think. Welcome back. Welcome back, yes, Sam. Fucking welcome back. You a lot and sound, yeah. Sound. Some of you quite in one. That's it. That's boring as hell, isn't it? This fucking camera works. Here we go with a knobber. Blue steel. Fuck's sake. I can do anything up here. No, fucking. Fuck off. What's apart? Nah, for fuck's sake. Have you done